Hello, Guruprasad.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Aruna. It's just a feedback interview, Guruprasad. First of all, congrats for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, introduce about yourself, Guruprasad.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Guruprasad, currently pursuing CACM course at CMTI. I completed my BA in Presidency University, ma'am, and PU in Alvas PU College, and SSLC in Sri Ramakrishna Saraswati Vidyalaya.
Okay, how did you get to know CMTI?
My friend's uncle Rangnath sir told to join for CMTI for getting the opportunity, like practical experience.
Okay, then what did you learn in CMTI?
Ma'am, I learned about the sequence of construction and basics of interiors and material knowledge, and I get to know the site marking practical knowledge. In the colleges, we don't know about that. Only do surveying, but we know how to do the estimations and all.
Okay, estimation, material costs, and all.
Yes, ma'am. Quantity surveying.
Okay, how was your site visits and all?
Site visit is main thing for learning the civil engineers. First, we visit Nimans, ma'am. Nimans for 1 crore project, and then we go for the SCP ready mix concrete. They learned about the grade of mixing and what are the ratios there in that. Like that one. Site visit is good, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then, what about trainers? How was their approach during the courses and all?
Trainers are very humble to teach us, ma'am. Like Natarajan sir and Mahante sir and Vishal sir will be teaching over for greater knowledge, ma'am. And Anand sir for interiors is great, ma'am.
Then, how was your interview process, Guru Prasad? How many rounds was there? How did you crack the interview?
Ma'am, there are 2 rounds, ma'am. First one, there is a technical paper for 20 marks. Then after I clear that, there will be a talk with the HR. Like for the fab module, Dinesh sir will taking the interview for me, sir. For me, that's what had gone.
Okay. Then, how was the CMTI staff coordination during the placements and all?
Same time, coordination is very nice, ma'am. What you are interest, there will be there for the placement, ma'am. According to our interest, they will be giving placement for us, ma'am.
Okay, according to your requirements, they'll be giving you the placements, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I will tell my juniors so to attend all the classes and do the assignment what sir has given. So and gain humble to learn all the things, ma'am.
Okay. Then, what about CMTI app? How did that help you, Guru Prasad?
The app is very good, ma'am. According to that only, I am learning the SketchUp classes and all. It's app good, ma'am. When we misses the classes, there will be recordings for us to back boon. There will be a boon for us, ma'am.
Fine. Yeah, Guru Prasad, thanks for your feedback
Thank you, ma'am.
and all the best for your future. And once again, congrats for your placements, Prasad. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.